Assalamualaikum. I'm Shaikh Nazmul Masud, and today I'm going to describe about a tool named Web Data Extractor. So with this tool, we can search about a meta tag about a website, extract email from that website, phone numbers, extract taxes, sorry, tax not it's taxes, and extract URLs from that web page that we need. Suppose I am copying that link about North South University, and with this link I'm going to Web Data Extractor, clicking on new, then pasting my copied link on that site, then clicking about I need meta tags, okay, URLs, emails, all the information I need, and clicking OK. Then I'm going to start. So it's now connected with that site and downloading the information about meta tags. So the session is going on. I found two meta tags, emails, one emails, sorry, it's now going 7, phone numbers 12. It's already working, so it's growing up, increasing the numbers. Tax is 22, marks list, no, there is nothing. URLs 454. Okay, so wait for the session is completed. It's connecting with the URLs. It can go and finding the meta tags, emails, phone numbers, faxes, URLs from North University. uh, okay, so we can see there are 27 meta tags in this, 28 9, oh, it's increasing. Okay, emails 78, phone numbers 92, faxes 116, no marks list. Okay, URLs 1109. Okay, it's growing again. Processing is URL process 35 and traffic receives 2.8 MB. Time 148. Okay, suppose we have completed, so I am just going to stop that session. You can wait until the end, but I'm going to stop. So in this moment I have 48 meta tags about North South University and 106 email addresses from North South University, phone numbers 201, faxes 201, no Mars list, and URLs 1652 URLs using this North South University. So this is all about Web Data Extractor tool, and I'm using Web Data Extractor version 8.3. Thank you so much for this. Thank you.